Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say das Klima. German word means climate. It refers to the long-term weather conditions of a region, but it can also be used metaphorically to describe the general atmosphere, such as in politics or society. Das Klima, 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 das Klima. Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.